So the best way to get wood chip wallpaper off is unfortunately just to invest in a steamer. This one cost about £30, and as you can see now, if you just use one of these scraper tools and shove it underneath, hold it on for probably about 20 seconds, it loosens the wallpaper and kind of off it comes in great big sheets. Really, there is absolutely no point in trying to do it with a special tool to score the wallpaper, or using a Stanley knife or something, and then using a mixture of water and detergent. Absolutely no point at all, because this just makes life so much easier. I'm not even sure those other techniques actually even work. You have to actually hold it on for quite some time, and then it just dissolves the glue. You get that bit. Now, one word of warning, I'll just hold it on there, hopefully you can still hear me. Now, this is very hot scalding water, so if you put your hand underneath the paddle, you will scald yourself, so be careful of that. Another thing to be very careful of, and a mistake I made the first time I used one of these, if you put this too close to woodwork painted in gloss, it will actually separate the gloss from the woodwork, so your gloss woodwork will peel off. It's very unsightly, and then you'll have to scrape it, sand it down and paint it again. So do not put this either on your hand or on woodwork. I'm filming my face, what am I doing that for? So the wallpaper to the right here, actually I didn't take off using a steamer. Actually, woodchip wallpaper, and probably most wallpaper that is near a radiator or a window where the sun is permanently shining in, it actually peels off the wall really easily. So you do get lulled into a false sense of security if you start peeling off wallpaper by a window. And it's also just been pointed out to me that there are another couple of advantages of using a steamer. Firstly, it's good for your lungs, and also good for your complexion as well. Neither of those things are actually proven or possibly even true, but just worth bearing in mind, I think.